Clark, phenomenal job this week, man. I mean, a lot of people have talked about it, but after, you know, the heart attack last year, you came out this year with a fire under you, and I mean, you've been on a tear, and to cap it with a win, how's it feel?
It feels really, really awesome. I mean, and I love the Potomac. You know, I finished second here. The last time we came here when Scott Martin won, I finished like sixth. The time before that, we came here, I finished second. I've always liked fishing here. It's just a great place to fish, dynamic fishery, and the history around here. I mean, you can see history anywhere on the water. So it's just one of those places that I look forward to fishing.
We'll kind of go a quick rundown of what exactly you were fishing this week, because it seemed like a very Clark Windlet kind of thing. Grass and wood cover is pretty much the primary thing for you, right?
Grass and wood. I mean, I was fishing a variety of different covers. I just found an area that had some quality fish. I wasn't catching, you know, usually here, you catch a lot of fish. You know, somebody that's going to do good is going to catch 20 bass a day, and he's going to cull up to 15, 16 pounds. For me, it wasn't like that. I caught 7 or 8 probably. 9 fish a day at the most, and you know, they weighed about average 15 pounds a day. I had 60 pounds. So, I mean, I didn't think the area I had would hold up, but it did.
It did, and we'll go over baits for you, because I followed you on the water the last few days, and it seemed like, I mean, there were a few things going for you, but the jig was kind of the big thing.
Yeah, the jig ended up being the biggest thing. This is just a 4x4 jig, ½ ounce. It's nothing great, I mean, nothing really special, but it doesn't get hung very much. You know, green pumpkin was the main color. I noticed crawfish in my live well every day, and other guys were talking about crawfish in their live well. Well, whenever crawfish are in your live well, or you're seeing crawfish, jig's usually the bait. That's what you want to throw. I caught some on a chatterbait too, but this probably was the main thing.
What were we throwing on? Rod, reel, line, all that?
I'm throwing a Cabela's Tournament ZX flipping rod with the reels of Cabela's Verano reel, and you know, it allowed me to make real subtle presentations. I don't know if you know, when you were watching me out there, I just skipped that thing up under dock after dock, round wood. Casting was easy for me, and you know, that was the key. I fished really good this week. I made a lot of great casts, and I lost no fish, and that's what you got to do. You got to execute.
You really do. It was a perfectly laid out plan. You executed it well, and man, I mean, it's the coolest thing to see you take home this last tournament of the season. Clark, congratulations, man.
Thanks so much, Kyle. It was a great feeling, and I appreciate your support.